Hi, what are you doing?
Listen, we're about to do questions.
Okay, I have a question for you.
What?
What do you start tomorrow?
School? She's gonna cry her eyes out.
I'm gonna cry because I'll miss you, but because you'll have fun without me.
Yeah.
Oh, all right. Number 2 question.
Huh.
What is your favorite dance that Sissy does?
This is a hard one. Dance comp.
Dance comps? You like when she goes to competition? Yeah. All right. Which of Sissy's friends are your favorite?
Can it be any kind of girl, like even tall?
Yes.
Willow.
Willow?
But she's not her really best friend. Just a tiny bit.
Yeah, just tiny friends.
But I am.
Oh, you
I'm
are?
a big fan of her.
You're a big fan of Willow's?
I'm a big fan of Annabelle too.
Oh, yes, you are. All right, next question.
Huh.
What is your favorite dinner that we have?
Strawberries, steak, and corn.
Ooh, that's a good one.
And mashed potatoes.
Okay, what's your favorite dessert?
Strawberry shortcake.
Ooh.
I mean, not strawberry shortcake. Vanilla and strawberry.
Ice cream?
Hi guys, tomorrow's my birthday and I'm jumping in the pool, but it's September 23rd. So, yeah, Mom, are you gonna count down from 5?
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
It's my birthday! Oh, 2, 1. Oh! Hot tub, here we go! What in the world?
Happy birthday.
Hi guys, I just came back from Nutcracker practice, and we are heading to my brother's t-ball game, so we will see you there. Subscribe and hit like so you can follow me on YouTube.